I am an owner and an operator of a private institution. And first and foremost, I remembered last year when the minister then, in October, make mention that the Jamaica Independent School Association have been left out of the discussions surrounding education transformation. Independent schools are literally on their own. They provide a very big percentage of training, teaching, and learning in this country. Yet, sometimes not even a curriculum can be given to these independent schools. I would like to find out where in this bill that shows that there's any form of consultation done with these independent schools. I have a big concern in terms of education because we are really preparing teachers and we are not preparing the students as well. There is no form of transformation to deal with the kind of schools that we are having teaching and learning into. We do not have any form of transformation in terms of the syllabus in which we use now in this 21st century to teach our children. I believe this bill is very hasty. I think we need to go back, and I believe the Lower House will be able to debate, and I'm waiting on that occasion. I would like to find out where in this bill that speaks to homeschooling. I know that education is wider than just training teachers and registering teachers. And while I was coming here this morning, a teacher said to me, it makes no sense we stay in the classroom because every day something else comes to put more burden on us. We should be encouraging our educators, especially in a period where they are being offered more attractive salaries, more better and suitable accommodations. And therefore, I stand ready to debate this bill in the Lower House. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Jamaica. I am Ramoni Lewis, the MP candidate for Central St. Catherine. The risks of vague